Have you ever noticed that cleaning feels more difficult as the years go by? Tasks that once took no effort now seem exhausting. But don't worry. In today's video, we're sharing 15 brilliant cleaning hacks designed specifically for seniors. These tips will help make tidying up easier, quicker, and more manageable. They come from real experiences and practical solutions shared by older adults who have mastered the art of effortless cleaning. If you enjoy these tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. 1. Declutter using the 15-minute rule. Organizing your home doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, set a timer for 15 minutes and focus on a single area. Whether it's a drawer, a shelf, or a countertop, you'll be surprised at how much progress you can make. Harold, 70, started with just his kitchen junk drawer and soon found himself decluttering different areas of his home every day. He says, "I never thought I could get organized, but breaking it into small steps made it easy. Keeping a donation box nearby will also make it simple to set aside things you no longer need." 2. Use a lazy Susan for easy access to cleaning supplies. Bending down or reaching for cleaning products under the sink can be a struggle. Instead, place a lazy Susan in your cabinet. With just a simple spin, you can access all your supplies without the hassle of searching through bottles and containers. Barbara, 72, swears by this trick. "It's like having a rotating cleaning station right at my fingertips." Choose one with a non-slip grip to keep items steady. 3. Turn old socks into dusting gloves. Why spend money on dusting cloths when you can repurpose an old pair of fuzzy socks, slip them over your hands, and gently run them over dusty surfaces? The soft fibers trap dust efficiently, and you can even add a bit of furniture polish or vinegar solution for a deeper clean. Sandra, 69, loves this trick and says, "I just shuffle around the house with dusting socks on my feet. It's cleaning without even thinking about it." This method works particularly well for baseboards, stair railings, and even chair legs. 4. Extend your reach with simple tools. Cleaning hard-to-reach places shouldn't require ladders or excessive bending. Take a microfiber cloth, wrap it around the end of a broomstick, and secure it with a rubber band. Now you can easily dust ceiling corners, fans, and even under furniture without straining yourself. John, a retired teacher at 73, shared, "This trick has been a lifesaver. I can clean my ceiling fans without ever needing to climb a step stool." If you have trouble cleaning blinds, simply attach a sock to a grabber tool and glide it across each slat. 5. Effortless microwave cleaning with steam. Scrubbing a greasy microwave is no fun, but steam can do the hard work for you. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a lemon slice or a splash of vinegar. Microwave for 3 to 5 minutes until it steams up. The steam loosens grime, making it easy to wipe away with a damp cloth. Nancy, 70, says, "Every time I do this, I feel like I've discovered a cleaning hack straight out of a magic show." As a bonus, the lemon leaves your kitchen smelling fresh. 6. Let a robot vacuum do the work for you. Vacuuming can be exhausting, but a robot vacuum can take over the job while you relax. These handy devices clean your floors automatically with just the push of a button. Thomas, 75, named his Roomba Robbie and says, "It's like having a personal cleaning assistant. I just set it and let it do its thing." For pet owners, look for models specifically designed to handle fur without clogging. Investing in a robotic vacuum can be a game changer, reducing the physical strain of regular vacuuming. 7. Keep your shower spotless with a simple daily trick. Soap scum and water stains build up quickly in the shower, but there's an easy way to prevent them. Keep a dish wand filled with equal parts dish soap and vinegar in your bathroom. After your shower, take a minute to wipe down the tiles and glass doors. This keeps your shower clean with minimal effort. Use a squeegee afterward for a streak-free finish. Carol, 73, says, "Since I started doing this, I haven't had to deep clean my shower in months." This small daily habit can save you from tough scrubbing later on. 8. Citrus peels for natural cleaning power. Instead of tossing out lemon or orange peels, use them to create an all-natural cleaner. Soak the peels in vinegar for a week to make a citrus-infused solution that's perfect for cutting through grease and grime. Linda, 72, swears by it. "I use this on my countertops and stovetop, and it smells amazing." You can also toss citrus peels into your garbage disposal and run it with water to eliminate odors instantly. Not only does this leave your kitchen smelling fresh, but it also provides a natural alternative to chemical-based cleaners. 9. Repurpose dryer sheets to repel dust. Used dryer sheets aren't just for laundry. They can also be a great tool for keeping dust at bay. Their anti-static properties help repel dust, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. Robert, 75, says, "I keep a stack of old dryer sheets under my sink. They work wonders on baseboards, blinds, and even mirrors." Another tip: place a dryer sheet inside your vacuum canister to release a fresh scent as you clean. This simple trick can help you maintain a dust-free home effortlessly. 10. Stay organized with labeled bins. Sorting household supplies doesn't have to be a guessing game. Use labeled bins to categorize cleaning items, laundry essentials, or pantry goods. Stackable bins with clear labels make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through cabinets. Susan, 75, shares, "Ever since I label my bins, I don't waste time searching for anything." 11. Make the most of over-the-door organizers. Utilize over-the-door shoe organizers to store cleaning products, sponges, and small tools. Beth, 74, says, "I never lose track of my supplies anymore because they're all in one easy-to-see spot." 12. Remove hard water stains with a pumice stone. Hard water stains in toilets and sinks can be tough to remove, but a pumice stone can do the job without scratching the surface. Soak the stone in water before gently scrubbing stains away. This method is perfect for stubborn mineral buildup in bathroom fixtures. 13. Boost your cleaning motivation with music. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to keep yourself motivated. Dave, 74, calls it his cleaning concert. Audiobooks or podcasts also make chores more enjoyable. 14. Baking soda and vinegar, the ultimate duo for clogged drains, stubborn grease, or deep cleaning. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface and pour vinegar on top. Let it fizz for a few minutes before wiping away dirt effortlessly. 15. Freshen up with essential oils. Add a few drops of essential oils to your mop water, spray bottle, or vacuum filter for a refreshing scent throughout your home. That wraps up our 15 genius cleaning hacks. We hope these tips help make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more great content. Let us know in the comments which hack was your favorite, or if you have any tips of your own. Happy cleaning!